I think I messed up my dryer's settings, or is it the sensor? Either way, let's get your GE dryer working right again. Here's what you need to know. First, what does the moisture sensor do? It checks how wet your clothes are inside the dryer. When it works, your dryer stops when your laundry's dry, saving time and energy. But sometimes, it stops working right. If your dryer keeps running too long or shuts off too soon, the sensor could be dirty or faulty. Here's what you can do. Unplug your dryer. Open the door and look for 2 metal bars near the lint filter. That's the moisture sensor. Wipe those bars gently with a soft cloth and a bit of rubbing alcohol. Sometimes fabric softener or dryer sheets leave a film that blocks the sensor. Plug your dryer back in and give it a try. If it still isn't working, the sensor may be damaged. You might need to replace it or call a professional. So, next time your GE dryer acts up, check that moisture sensor first. It could be a quick and easy fix.